Prime Minister Modi turning emotional on his legacy. Prime Minister Modi saying, "Will bequeath a Viksit Bharat, will leave behind a Viksit Bharat, a developed Bharat. All of you are my heir." This is, remember, very significant. The fact that Prime Minister Modi does not have a family or children of his own. He's saying, "You are my family, and I will hand down a developed India. My legacy, that will be to you." Prime Minister Modi speaking about the whole retirement jibe that came in from Arvind Kejriwal and then from Congress party. He says, "What I leave behind will be for you. You, the Indian, are my heir, and most importantly, I will leave behind a Viksit Bharat." Listen in.
आप ही मेरे वारिस हैं। आपके अलावा इस दुनिया में मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है। मैं भी जैसे परिवार का मुखिया अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ छोड़ करके जाना चाहता है, वैसे मैं भी मेरे इस परिवार के सब बच्चों के लिए विकसित भारत बना करके उनके हाथ में देना चाहता हूं। और पार्टियों को देखिए, वो सारे के सारे लोग ये अपने वारिसों के लिए बंगले बना रहे हैं, महल बना रहे हैं। तो मोदी भी तो कम नहीं है। अगर वो अपने वारिस के लिए बना रहे हैं, तो मैं भी तो मेरे वारिस के लिए बना रहा हूं।
ये लोग इंडिया गठबंधन से पूछते हैं, आपका प्रधानमंत्री कौन होगा? मैं बीजेपी से पूछता हूं, आपका प्रधानमंत्री कौन होगा? आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे केजरीवाल क्या बात कर रहा है, मोदी जी होंगे। नहीं, मोदी जी अगले साल 17 सितंबर को 75 साल के हो रहे हैं। अब मोदी जी अगले साल 17 सितंबर को रिटायर होने वाले हैं। तो मैं बीजेपी से पूछना चाहता हूं, आपका प्रधानमंत्री का दावेदार कौन है? अगर इनकी सरकार बनी तो पहले अगले 2 महीने में योगी जी को निपटाएंगे ये, और उसके बाद मोदी जी के सबसे खास अमित शाह को ये प्रधानमंत्री बनाएंगे।
This is a huge reaction, a statement that is coming from Prime Minister Modi himself after what you heard from Arvind Kejriwal and then the Congress party jumping in and saying he is going to retire. By 75, he should not take any responsibility and it may be handed over to someone else, that you're not voting for Modi. Prime Minister Modi has now reacted to it and said, "What I leave behind will be for you, the Indian, who's my heir, and I will be leaving a developed Viksit Bharat." Let's listen in again to what Prime Minister Modi has said.
आप ही मेरे वारिस हैं। आपके अलावा इस दुनिया में मेरा कुछ भी नहीं है। मैं भी जैसे परिवार का मुखिया अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ छोड़ करके जाना चाहता है, वैसे मैं भी मेरे इस परिवार के सब बच्चों के लिए विकसित भारत बना करके उनके हाथ में देना चाहता हूं। और पार्टियों को देखिए, वो सारे के सारे लोग ये अपने वारिसों के लिए बंगले बना रहे हैं, महल बना रहे हैं। तो मोदी भी तो कम नहीं है। अगर वो अपने वारिस के लिए बना रहे हैं, तो मैं भी तो मेरे वारिस के लिए बना रहा हूं।
And to say this in Bengal, with, remember, which is a Mamata Banerjee turf where the BJP wants to make inroads, and Didi has of course been a close ally to Arvind Kejriwal, who first raked up this issue after he got interim bail. So I'll bring in Ritik Model this evening for the latest on that. Ritik, while he met some of the workers who were turning fully emotional, but he definitely picked on the jibe that he's going to retire soon, and then what happens? So tell us more about how the campaigning by Prime Minister Modi has been in Bengal.
Well, definitely. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed multiple rallies across South Bengal. Remember, when several rounds of election are yet to happen in Bengal. And yes, it was very politically significant this Sunday when Prime Minister went on record while addressing a gathering in Howrah. He stated that he will leave a developed Bharat, a Viksit Bharat behind him that came into the light of Kejriwal's retirement jibe against Prime Minister. What we do understand, this statement made everybody out there very emotional. It's a very emotional statement that is coming right from Prime Minister over this row. And what we did see is even today, that Prime Minister came down heavily attacking the opposition, be it the Aam Aadmi Party or the ruling party over here, Trinamool Congress, or the Congress, left, right and center, over this dynasty politics, the way Prime Minister attacked, lashed out at Trinamool Congress ill governance over here, made a significant remark. And what we do believe that BJP is eyeing Bengal this time. And while addressing a gathering over here, Prime Minister's statement, this with regards to his, the retirement, jibes, and he stated that "Mere piche ek Viksit Bharat chorna chahta ho." That made a huge response, at least among the spectators, his party men present out there and that particular rally. And, it could create a huge remarks among the spectators and, of course, across India amidst the situation when this very crucial general election is underway.
Because he's the star campaigner of the BJP after all. And to make that remark in Bengal, and that could clearly give a push to the BJP cadre as well, because definitely it appeared had Kejriwal thrown a curveball at Prime Minister Modi, and this is what Prime Minister Modi's remark has been on that. Thank you so much. Ritik Mondal will be tracking all the latest from on the ground in Bengal.